Hello and welcome back to Monarch Green. You may recall that last time when we met, we talked about our brand new sandless sandbag. It's called FLOODBAG, and you can see it at myfloodbag.com if you don't remember what it was about. This is a biodegradable content product, totally recyclable, reusable, and what makes it really interesting is, like no other product on the market, this bag works in salt water. Now you say that might not be important. I don't live near the ocean where there's hurricanes and storm surges. Even if you're way inland where there's de-icing going on, that salt mixes with the snow melt and rain runoff and becomes salty water. When that happens, this product thrives, the other ones fail. Look how lightweight it is. It's perfect for anybody to handle. You put this in water, and within a couple of minutes, you've got a fully functional, conventional sandbag operation going on here. Perfect for almost any condition that you'd want. This is a heavy-duty commercial application at a really budget price. But that's not why I invited you to look at this video today. I'd like to share with you our latest advance in flood barrier technology. We are very excited about our newest product. It's called FLOODDAM. And as you look here, you'll note they're only 1/4 of an inch or less thick. They're almost paper thin. Extremely lightweight. They can be shipped for pennies. And the best part is they are so rapid action, you're not gonna believe your eyes. They come in various sizes. We can make them almost any length or width that you would like. Let's take a look at exactly what happens when these come in contact with water. Okay, now let's take this guy out of the water and see what we have here. Whoa, look at that. Just look at the weight of this thing. It's just a solid device, and it happens in virtually no time at all. This stuff really works fantastic. Well, we've seen our water-activated instant flood barrier technology in FLOODDAM expand from 1/4 inch thickness to full size, absorbing 50 times its weight in under 5 minutes. It's ultra lightweight, compact, easy to store and ship. Outer casing is made of a rugged special fabric that is so durable it'll last a long time. Immediately self-activates upon contact with water. Ideal for home and workplace, indoor and outdoor flood protection. Available in multiple widths and lengths as you've seen here. Lightning fast drop and go deployment when seconds count, and seconds are very important in many flood situations, whether in your home or out in the open. Super lightweight equals a very low cost shipping, and our prices are extremely competitive. Keep floodwaters away from your garage and entry doors because our sizes allow for single entry door, double, garage doors, and many other sizes. Keep a supply on hand next to water heaters, laundry rooms, kitchen, and bathrooms. And know FLOODDAM is proudly made in the USA. We hope you'll be as pleased with FLOODDAM as we are. Thanks very much for watching.